Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Excited to be bringing you this unboxing of the January 2026 Scrapbook subscription box from Grabie. The theme for this box is Threads of Time, and it has a few goodies in here as well as the collage activity book, which I'm going to do a flip through of. Now, I do have a discount code if you order through the Grabie website. There's also a discount code if you download and order through the app, a slightly higher discount. So be sure to check the description box for those discount codes. Now, I love these boxes. They have so many fun goodies in them for junk journaling, for scrapbooking. I'm going to be starting to do some collage books, but look at these goodies. So the January box has this Serenity Textures paper pack, really fun sampling of some different textures. Of course, you always get a little sticker. Next, you have a black and white floral lace pack, and these are kind of elasticy too, which is really nice. There's the black one. This is a double-sided adhesive dot runner. Then look at these gorgeous buttons. This is called a wooden coconut shell button theme pack. Lots of buttons. This is a precision paper cutter pen. I've gotten this in a past box before. Really nice for doing some intricate cutting. And of course, the collage book. Wait, one more thing. This super cute scalloped wood ruler with centimeters on it. Now, let's open up and flip through this awesome collage book. Over 200 pages of papers, die cuts, vellum, stickers, and they're doing something new this year with these magnetic bookmarks. There's some sort of grand prize you can get if you collect these, and there's one in the back of each book. Last year they were the lapel pins. This year they're doing the magnetic bookmarks. All right, so I'm going to speed this up. I want to give you a quick flip through of all the amazing, look at this beautiful artwork. These are gorgeous. I cannot wait to collage with these papers, these stickers, the die cuts. Every single page in this book is perforated to make them easy to remove. Look at that. Even the back sides of the pages that have stickers and die cuts have a gorgeous pattern on them. So if you don't want to use the die cuts or the stickers, you can use the other side. Lots of fun textures. There's 3 like themed sections to the book, but they're all related to things with fabric or sewing. Lots of fun die cuts. Here's a lace section. You can do so many things. Here's some vellum, a few pages of vellum, which are really, really pretty. Some more die cuts, and I'm just going to be quiet so you can just enjoy this super quick flip through of the collage book. Oh, wait. Vellum envelopes that you can make. That's really cool. That's something very different. So I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and super quick flip through of the collage book. Please check the description box for the link to check out more information about purchasing a one-time box or the different values of subscribing. And again, be sure to use my discount code to get a discount on your purchase. Thanks so much. Take care.